Hey folks, I'd like to invite you to check out our channel, Dallas Dermatology, for all kinds of interesting skin-related conditions. Take a look. We feature the work of Ryan, the nurse practitioner, as well as other interesting sources.
Ready? A little pinch.
Fun fact, doctors treat over 3 million cases of skin tags, or papillomas, per year. What kind of dermatology-related videos would you like to see in the future? Comment below. So thanks for watching, and come on over to Dallas Dermatology. See the link below to subscribe, and we'll see you there. It's new content all the time.